Hello, everybody. Today I'm going to be Cain from the Major Disco Circus. Hey, Jax.
Who's connected?
Jax.
There's no exit.
I've seen things, Jax. I've seen things in this
Oh, look,
world.
there's a
I should have
parasite.
said.
Jax. Pomni needs.
You know it's
Hey, Pomni.
Look, it's a parasite. It's a parasite. You're
Huh?
breathing. A parasite. A parasite.
What is it, Pomni?
Minecraft
cube thing.
I don't like. Well, how come you have legs?
I don't like this
and arms.
Hey, hey, Jax.
You wanna be assertive and build me another bridge? Since you broke the last one?
Hey,
Hey, Jax, you wanna beat the hell out of Pommy?
Jax. Jax. Jax.
I
Jax.
thought you never asked.
Jax. 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 I'm going to fail at something you can't do. I am going to jump off the stage.
Bro's iconic line. That's just an iconic line. Don't you know
Hup, hup.
You fell, Cain. Congratulations.
Can I tell you the number one thing I do when I see a Gingle avatar?
Stay down.
Wait, Jax,
What the fuck are you wearing?
Please shoot him with video lens on unrecognizable.
I'm scared. I'm fucking scared.
Oh, God, I'm down.
No.
And I have avatars.
No, I'm scared.
Let's shoot on people with
Jax,
repeatedly until they're completely unrecognizable.
you failed doing that twice.
Completely butchered that.
My favorite Jax line of all time.
What are you doing?
Get away.
Jax, it's time to run the big thing for
Can we comment on the music thing over there?
You don't do that.
Jax, don't beat up that. That's ancient.
Guys, it's not that hard. Just turn it off.
That's the avatar I was looking for. But what the fuck?
You don't do it.
Easy.
You don't do this.
Ow. Ow.
I'll turn it back on.
I'm gonna beat you with this.
Someone get this guy away from me. You want to see something? I'll show
What
you
the?
something.
That didn't do shat.
What is this? Hey, tell me what this is.
Jax.
Sorry.
That is the calf one has been.
You want a slap in the face?
I'm mildly scared.
Buddy.
He's petting me with his staff, and I'm scared.
Whoa, why are you doing Riz face?
When the fuck did the server multiply?
Why do I hear Fizzaroli here?
That's a good question.
Jax, I have a question.
No. Why is there two Canes? There
I
can't.
don't know.
What?
But my name is Cocaine, because I've snorted crack.
What is Cartman wearing?
You want to go cause chaos?
I'm a scary
I'm tired. No, at the moment.
Whoa, guys.
I have a feeling we'll
I've
be
seen
good
things,
friends.
Poppy.
Your eyes are going like this. Hold up.
Where's the jack?
This screen, this world, my tongue
It was made.
Where did my friend? Where did
I'm gonna open it then.
I just disagree.
Jax? We need to go on another adventure, and I'm dragging you with me. Come on, I'm dragging you. Come on, come on, come on. Come on.
Which one are you taking? We multiplied.
I will.
I pulled myself apart and.
Then you're coming with me. Then come on, 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 come on. I'm taking you.
Why me? Another one right there.
Happens here.
All right, all right.
How you feel? What the fuck?
am
Hey,
I looking at?
now I'm gonna take off. I'm
No,
gonna
just
take
tell
out.
me,
I'm gonna.
please.
I am now gonna throw you. Yeet!
Wait, what?
Casually bites lip.
Ready? Bad rock.
Wait.
Hey, come throw me! Come on, I want to be thrown.
All right, I'll throw you. 3,
Throw shit,
2,
buddy.
1, and yeet!
God damn it!
I am no, just no.
Oh God, it's Israel.
Hey, shh.
I am scared for my life. Oh, hey, Ragatha. Rag. Thing. I forget your name again. I forget your name or whatever.
What do you mean?
Beppity but. Oh, come on, you're.
Shut up. I say
Hey, I don't like this channel.
Hitting him on the head.
I say yo.
I've been thrown 3 times.
Bro, stop.
Jesus Christ, I'm gonna end up breaking my fucking back from doing this.
Hey, Pomni, you want to go on another adventure?
Then this time, you can kill your mom.
Sure.
Agreed.
I don't think I have a choice.
You actually do. You can say no if you want. You don't have to.
And the best part is I multiplied. See?
Oh shit, I'm trying to get my computer. Oh, that.
I don't like the way everyone's this tall.
Hold on. 1 second. I can get on your level.
How about you grow a few inches?
Hey, Pomni.
Don't stick your
Hey,
tongue out.
Pomni. How do you feel now?
Not this fucking short.
I don't know.
Okay, anyways, I'm taking you. Come on. Where we're going. Come on. Come on, I'm taking you. Come on. Come on. Pomni, come on. You're taking... I'm taking... Pomni? Pomni? This adventure, we're gonna do something. And it's gonna be fun. Alright. Anyways. Well, let's... I actually have to think of the adventure, so... You can just sit... Wait. Oh yeah, you're gonna go to another town. It's a Western theme, and you're gonna go, your job, mission, survive. Now, go on, go, Tommy, Tommy, just go that way. Go that way. Come on, go that way. Go that way, and don't stop walking until you get all the way.
Wait, where's the exit door? Sir, can you show me where's the exit door?
That way. I'm pointing. That way.
Okay.
This is crazy. Dumb.
Cool, he didn't know he was muted. He didn't know he was muted that whole time.
Oh, thank you for this hat, my friend.
You were muted? I didn't even tell.
I was muted.
You were talking to him and he wasn't talking. What do you mean you couldn't tell?
That's the same coincidence that happened to Coda during one of his recordings. He didn't know.
You just broke your neck.
I was there. This is the second time I've seen this happen.
What the heck?
Okay, so well, Jax, looks like you're gonna have a lot of things on your plate.
Like a fucking I broke my rib when you threw me.
Bape.
How do you draw people? You can't draw people in this world.
Hello everybody, my name is Markiplier.
Do not say that word, please.
Where's your legs, Pomni?
Pomni?
Someone stole his legs, man.
Oh, so no head?
They have their legs.
So,
Okay, that's not even funny.
Everyone watching this, subscribe to this guy. He seems really cool.
He seems funny. Funny enough for you to subscribe.
Subscribe to this man.
If you made it this far in the video, go ahead and hit that like button.
And make sure to share and subscribe and leave a comment on what do you want to see next.
Too many avatars to favorite that one.
Cain, I think I got shown the apocalypse.
Oh, sorry. Yeah.
That's just
Yeah.
That's just the content farms.
Yeah. You were. Yeah. That's the whole point.
Elsa and Spider-Man content forums.
I tricked you.
Wow, that was like you should. Okay, it's time to
Why?
To make you see things.
What was I?
Where's my jacks? Where's my jacks at?
I was kind of scared of you people.
I don't have. Yeah, I'm not gonna. Cain! Cain! Cain!
Wait.
Spider-Man meme! Spider-Man meme! Spider-Man meme! Spider-Man!
Oh, let's go. Let me do this here. Pomni, out of my way.
Ew.
Omni, out of the way!
Is that
Pomni.
Move!
out of my way?
Move! Pomni, move! Shoot! 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 Fuck! Shoot! Shoot it! Go!
Defeat me? I do have to beat
Actually, I can't with the power of vote.
you. Now tell me to extension like you did to Taco before.
Why don't you go ahead and shut your mouth?
You might as well do the joke of what happened.
Do it!
What I should have become to do.
When he has Among Us in his name.
You don't scare me.
You don't scare me!
I hate this kid so much. Can we just vote kick this guy?
I did.
Let's scream the N-word at him.
Don't do that. Don't do it. Don't do it. Don't do it. I can't get canceled. I can't get canceled.
Hey, you should die. I snapped, but it's kind of.
Yes, they're gone. Yes, 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 yes.
I can hear you again. I can hear you again.
Best Bob. Boom.
Wake up, wake up. You're in.
I'm
Wake up,
finding you
wake up,
both.
wake up. Your
I-
dog is literally.
Yeah, I'll make sure to. All right.
There's a circus, eh? I can use this.
All right.
Oh, looks like one of these guys got through.
Wake up, wake up.
Wait,
Your
what?
wife is next to your bed. Next to your hospital bed. You're in
Huh.
Wake up, wake up. I'm your doctor. Wake up, wake up.
All right. Yep. This is going. Okay. Hey, can we go? Let's just go cause random chaos because we can.
Bring back the NFT scam. It was pretty good. Look at the shadows.
All right.
What did you just say? No.
What did you just say?
No.
NFT scam was pretty interesting.
Big fat.
No NFTs. Where did?
My hands.
Ow.
Okay. We can punch him.
You can put the
Oh God. Wait, is that Israel?
Yeah, that's Israel.
Oh shit.
No, see, I prefer not. I prefer you not.
Go! Run! No!
The
Go!
digital circus, Pomni.
You okay? You hiding?
I supply weapons for the war against Israel. I don't think this is a good time for me to see them.
Hey, other game.
Whoa.
Oh.
Don't worry, it's only 9mm.
Hey, yo, no Ben 10, hey, no.
Let's go on an adventure, Pomni.
Please.
Let's go on an adventure. All of us are gonna go on an adventure.
Okay, everyone's talking at once. Can we like do one by one? What did you say?
I said, please stop.
NFT scams are pretty interesting.
Crying like a bitch because she's tired. So I'm looking more
NFT scams are pretty interesting.
Give me a second, I gotta check something.
little gesture.
I don't see pronouns. I'm just gonna say yes, ma'am.
Cain.
Did I do that correctly?
If she's a queen, shouldn't she be on a checkerboard? In the
Cain, help me on my face, please.
Oh, I got it.
Does it mean you're gay?
Didn't you explode?
Oscar.
Mommy, I'm Fizz-a-Rolly.
It's that guy that I used to play when I was a kid. No!
What?
Is there a World War II tank here?
Nothing. Anyways.
Oscar, what are you doing with the digital circuit?
The voices are in my.
Driving the World War II tank.
Don't worry.
Ah! It's an ugly person.
Pretty interesting.
Don't worry.
I'm a tank.
I am scared of everything. What are you talking about?
I call the gator gamer dude. I don't think I should.
Yeah. Hey,
That is true.
Oscar. 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 Oscar.
Driving the rubber duck tank.
Wake up, Kane. Wake up.
I think I have to play that man.
Have you seen Kingo anywhere? I couldn't find him earlier today. Is he
I
in his
am-
room?
Maybe.
They extracted, you know.
I'm thinking about using it.
That wouldn't be good.
No, don't use that.
That'd be great.
Take that away. Take that away.
Pomni, where did you get a knife, Pomni?
Kill someone. My job can become.
You're right.
Pomni, hold on, wait, Pomni. What happened to your hairline?
Burned away.
Good.
Remember that fight in episode 2? It burned away.
I can kill you right.
Oh wait. We're gonna do something. We're gonna do something. Prepare for battle. Prepare your weapon.
I'm crying.
Got a big snout.
Okay.
Alright, that's good.
He's swinging his big club at me. What the hell?
Okay, getting away from the tank. That's the Y1 weakness.
Who's putting on my snout? That's even a real.
That's the tank. Why is there a tank? Why did we allow a tank in here?
Oh, jeez.
Yeah, hunting season.
Why is there gummy gator inside of me?
The freaking 2015.
I hear smoke. Come here, Jax.
Okay, let me put a World War tank in here.
Not a clue.
How'd you want a tank get in here?
But I kinda want one.
There's no World War tank right there.
Fair
Do
enough.
not give him a tank.
Oh,
Do not give.
good friend, you're pretty cool.
I mean, I'll take a tank if you wish. If you can
I'm
insist.
just a house.
Hey.
Don't mind me, I'm just a
Yo,
house.
yeah, guys, we have the house right here. We have the house tank.
Oh, yeah. Yo, Jack's getting that tank. That's a tank you can have.
I'm not a tank.
I'm fucking not.
Ah.
Yo, he's literally a house.
Oh, yes. Come to me.
What do you mean by that? That sounded really
I'm
good.
tired.
It's so adorable.
Oh my lord! I do not like how this looks. I'm not getting in that tank. Jax, you're not equipped to handle a weapon like a mass. Jax, we can't ride a tank. We're not equipped for a tank. Jax, get off the tank.
Freaking drive it.
Oh my lord, I am.
Don't take so loud, guys. No,
There's gonna be a tank here. No one cares.
Tanks are
Oh, God.
Let's go, Jack.
I'm gonna shoot him down.
I'm getting ran over.
I'm still in here.
T-scam was pretty
Pomni, you're supposed to look
Gonna
into the
shoot
barrel.
that plane down.
You're supposed to look into
Okay, I'm gonna just run this little.
Where's the barrel? Let me look in the barrel. What's in there? Let me see what's in there.
Ain't goes inviting me.
Well, if there's more than one tank, then that means hey, Jax, this one. Jump off the stage.
Let me look at it. I can look at it. Let me look at it.
Jump off the stairs.
Just stand up there on stage.
Floating. Just give me the.
You know what I meant.
You don't gotta tell me twice.
Wait, why are you going?
I'd gladly die.
You won't die. You'll just
God, why is it
respawn.
so laggy? No.
I'll make sure you
I'd
can't
rather
die.
Cain.
You can't die.
No, too bad. I'm gonna bypass your dying filter.
Yeah, no you can't. That's a very hard filter to bypass. Only I can bypass it. And I don't want to die, so thank you. If you jump from
If
here.
I'm gonna die, this is my final
All
show,
right.
everybody.
So
if I'm gonna go out, I'm gonna go with a bang.
You know what? Wait, I have a
Wow.
good idea. Jax.
Seems they've
Right,
fallen.
just 3. This is Sparta. Boom. Okay, 3, 2, 1, and yeah! Boom! Ow! Never mind, I'm fine. See, you can't die. Can't die. You jumped from all the way up there and you didn't die. Ow. Oh, hell no. Right. Puzzle, get out of my circus.
What are you doing out
You
there?
can.
You look sadder than usual.
Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, oh my god.
Kinger, are you okay?
TikTok.
No.
Who gave Kinger TikTok?
It's okay, Kinger.
It was you, Cain. What did I tell you?
I didn't give him TikTok. I did not give Kinger TikTok. There's a floating hand. Oh, never mind.
Hey, where'd you come from? Yeah.
I don't know how to get out of
Anyways. Hey, Pomni. This is Sparta.
Hey, Pomni.
Wait, what? Take this.
Pomni. What? You like $2 mate?
This is dumb and weird, Cain.
Yeah, we could just leave.
You know, maybe I don't want to be in the digital circus anymore. Maybe I want to go back to reality. Maybe I want to go back to reality.
If you want to get back to reality, you're going to have to find a way to hack the code in this world. Good luck.
Oh, I could just do this.
Jax.
How your pee? Oh, he did it. He hacked the code. He did it.
You did not take it. You cannot get out of this world.
He
You're
hacked the
stuck.
code. I mean, you gotta give him credit for that one.
I broke reality. I escaped the digital circus.
Games are lame.
I wish I could read.
You have the Wi-Fi password. This guy has the Wi-Fi password.
Jax.
Hey, look, it's Venom.
Jax.
He is not a
Hey, look! It's the guy from Fortnite!
He's not even in Fortnite. He's not even in Fortnite, you idiot.
Down here.
Oh my god. He's in Fortnite!
No, he isn't.
Literally! Fortnite, he has a Eddie Rock skin!
There
I'm
it is.
dying. Wait for I stop.
You please go to
Okay, I hate myself.
I'm kind of dying.
I'm going insane!
Hey, look. Hey, obese.
You should see in that tower.
Obese.
So weird.
Jack, shut up! This isn't reality.
Just go over there.
No, I only can't put the headset back on just so I could kick you. So, you know.
You're so obese.
Mommy, you have a new voice. That's not right. That's not a
It's an imposter. It's an imposter. It's the imposter, Pomni. I'm. Why? Why are there so many Mr. Puzzles? What the hell?
Because fuck you. You fool.
I like you, my hat.
I do not.
I am Jax. You're Jax.
That's an ugly Jax insect.
Jax.
Where did?
Jax is in level.
I didn't agree to this!
I'm trying not to feed the fanfics.
I didn't agree to
I'm
this!
trying to not feed the fanfics.
Kiss him.
No.
I didn't agree to this! I didn't agree to this!
Sorry,
created a comedy in
These are
Japan.
other comedies. Where the fuck? The other comedy's gone. No.
Cain, you should give Gangle a comedy mask so I can break it.
Shut up.
Hey, I'm gonna fix your mask, okay? Alright, and
Give me a dildo so I can
there we go.
No.
Hey,
Oh my god!
Wow,
It's
good
10.
job, Gangle.
No,
Got your
and
mask
it
back.
can't break. It's unbreakable. It
Wait,
can't
I
break
know
it.
you.
You can't break it. It's
You're 7-Eleven,
unbreakable.
right?
What's that over there?
Hey,
Hey,
It can't break. It can't break.
dildo
It's
so I can shove
unbreakable.
it up his ass.
It's unbreakable. It's unbreakable. You can't break it now.
That completely defeats the point of the mask.
God damn it. Actual avatar.
You
That
enjoy
one
it.
actually looks like
Enjoy it.
No, I have a Ben 10.
That one does not look like Ben 10 at all.
Oh. Yeah.
I'm right.
Come on, fire. You broke it. You don't have
I'll fix it. I'll fix it. I'll fix it. And huh?
Okay, Kevin 11 versus Ben 10. Clearly.
I'm gonna super glue it.
You.
You're blue.
That's. Now I'm gonna make sure. Bibbidi boppity. This.
mess with me like
Bibbidi boppity. Your mask is now unbreakable. Boom.
I can bypass
You
your
can't-
filter. I can bypass your filter.
God damn it.
Bibbidi boppity. You can't speak. There we go.
Nah, I don't give.
Lord Freezer would call that a monkey.
Seriously?
Much better.
Jack.
Much better.
Stop breaking this damn mask.
Oh, this is the Seacoast now.
You
You
not.
can't stop me, Cain.
Zach, you
I can.
Eat it.
Hold on.
Put the
Here.
mask back together.
Fix
Do
it.
it. Do it.
It's now glued back together. It should be fine now.
I'm gonna break it.
Athlete at any PC board.
I will fucking kill you.
keeps breaking it.
Come here,
I broke it.
Gangle. Gangle.
Don't be the cube and use.
Gangle, come with me. Come on. Come with me. Come on. Come with me, Gangle. Gangle, come on.
Why am I so many?
Okay.
I gotta go break it again. I gotta
If you
keep
break it,
broken. I'm not
I
allowed
will.
to do it. No.
I will send you to the abyss.
You don't have this, do you?
It must
I will send
stay
you.
broken. Rage quit.
I will.
It
I will
must stay
send.
broken.
I will send you to the pit.
I have no beat this shit.
Now
at all.
sue, sue. Now sue.
No.
I will send all of you to the pit.
No. No.
Fixed. There you go.
Reverse.
I'm gonna.
Thank you.
No, 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 no.
Stupid ass.
Gangle, I'm so sorry.
Keep hitting my face.
How can that even break? I've made sure it's unbreakable. Run! Go! Run! Go! 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 Run! Keep running! Keep running! Keep going!
Two new people that just joined hell.
Keep going! This way! Follow me! We're running to the top! To the top of the tower! To the top! Let's go! Run! Run! Keep going! Keep going up! Keep going up! Keep going up!
Wait, I will destroy it. You cannot stop me.
We can keep running for all of eternity! Gangle, keep running!
Fuck you fall behind. Fuck
I-
did you fall behind?
I don't care! I'm keep going!
Badass. How the fuck did you fall behind?
Gangle! Gangle! Go! Jump! You will survive! Jump! Come on, let's go! Gangle, come on! Keep going, keep going, keep going, keep going!
It's kind of fun, but it's like kind of not. I don't like being chased.
This one! Keep going!
I'll show you.
Can you stop trying to break Gangle's damn mask, you cunt!
Where are you?
I'm getting dizzy. Where are you?
Where did Gangle go? Gangle, where did you go?
See you.
No, 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 no! No, keep running! Gangle, go! Run! Keep running! Just keep going! Just keep going! Keep running!
Nah, bro. There ain't no difference. There ain't no difference. Turn around, boy. Turn around.
Stop chasing Gangle! Stop chasing Gangle!
I said you dentist.
I don't know what all these people have against me.
People are just... They're bullies. They're just bullies.
Cain, I got the biggest weapon against you. Cain lollipop.
I'm not falling for that.
Bitch. Nah, bro.
I'm not gonna lick that. I'm not an idiot. Fuck.
That man.
Cain, you actually fucking.
Gangle, why are they after you? I'll protect you. I got you. Get away. Yeah. Go. Shoot. 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 Go on. Stop it. Stop. Gangle, I will try to persuade. Gangle. No, I'm blocking the axe. I'm gonna boot that out of existence. And just keep running.
Hello, Cain. Hello, Cain. Hello.
I said
No, no, no. No, I'm.
I don't know what
Come
everyone
here,
has against
come here,
me.
come here,
I didn't
come
do
here.
anything.
I'm protecting you with my butt.
rip it open. I'm gonna rip it open.
No, I am, but I'm keeping it in place. I am holding it.
Don't listen to him. I'm gonna rip that head open.
I got you.
I don't know how to feel about this anymore.
I got you. Shoot! Shoot! Go! Go!
No
Get!
more mask
Get!
for you. No more happiness.
Turn! No! See, you got it. Gangle. Stop it! What the fuck is wrong with you?
Straight out the mask.
You're just as worse as Jax. Oh.
We heard that, bitch.
Incorrect. The only channel I belong is the porn channel.
How come Cain lets me cuss? How come Cain lets me cuss, man?
I don't. They just do. Although I can cuss.
How come everyone can cuss but not me?
Fuck. Good, you can't even do it. Jax.
Alright, where's Gangle?
No, you're not. Gangle, go, 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 quick before they find you. Go before.
Nice mask you got there.
You leave her alone, you cretin. That's, if you break it, I won't let you go on that murderous adventure. You won't be able to murder anyone.
Mind if I take a look, Gangle? It looks like pretty good, pretty nice.
Jax, stop. Craig, Gangle, keep running. Gangle, keep running. No, Jax, stop. Stop. Jax, stop. Jax, fucking stop.
I know every future you're in. You're just.
Why does he have tick?
Oh, yeah. Do you have kids, huh? Tell me.
Oh.
Yeah, you do right here.
Skinny waist, deal with it.
Because the creator of this avatar and that avatar doesn't know how to put on manly chest, so they put on.
Jax.
What is that?
Jax. I am gonna.
That thing that's crawling on the floor.
They make like every Alice
It removed it.
Looks like a kind of tiny little.
Gangle? Where did Gangle go? Gangle?
I want to take the gator. Where's the gator go?
Oh.
Help me. Jax, help me.
You're a friend, but I don't know why.
I don't know why either. Oh.
Alright. Well,
Jax, help.
Where's my gangle?
I'm not Jax, I'm Cain.
Cain, help me.
No.
Where is my gangle?
They've been torturing Gangle. They've been torturing Gangle.
No. Oh, so should I not be gangle?
No. They are torturing a Gangle and breaking their mask. Can you go help them?
Cain, help me.
No.
I'm so alive. Help me.
No. Bunk.
You good?
No. 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 Not two. Not two. Not two.
Help me say a bad word. Cain, I'm gonna eat you. Because I am. You know what I am? Damn it. Everybody cannot put me.
I don't give a I don't give a crap who you are.
I am upgraded. I can control.
I'm not.
I can go inside technology and make it weird. And also, I can make you weird.
I'm not technology.
Oh, you better not.
I'm gonna pop bubble.
It's hey Gangle, you okay?
Huh? Yeah.
Look, run! Go! 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 All of you, go the fuck away! You shoot! Go! Fuck! Go! Shoot! Everyone, shoot!
I wanna break your mask. I wanna break Gangle's mask.
Gangle.
Gangle.
Shut up, you crybaby!
Shut up, you cunt!
I ate the mask.
Shut up, you.
I ate the mask.
Hey, Tommy, have you seen Ragatha?
Come on, come with me. Come on, Gangle. Come on. Come on. Come on, buddy. Come on, Gangle. Come on. You follow, I block you. Shoot. Go on, get. Go on, get, I block. Go. Shoot. Get away from them. I will block you. Just block them. You don't have to. You don't have to deal with their bullshit. Come on. Come. It's okay. Come here. Come on, we're going to the top of the tower.
Yes, I've created you in your dimension.
What the fuck is wrong with people? Oh, poor Gangle. I don't know why. Why they hate me? I don't. By the way, what's that thing that Jax said about? What is that? That you don't want to tell Ragatha. You don't want to tell Ragatha. No! No!
I accidentally fell. I'm coming back.
Well, at least there isn't two. At least you.
It's like I stole one of her figurines. Yeah.
I'm gonna kick you. Or no, I'm gonna punch you off of here. And never mind. It was gonna look cool, but I guess okay. Let me fix that. And huh. There we go. Try to fix. There we go.
It's good, thank you.
You're okay, Gangle. You'll be alright, I guess.
It's all better. Thank you.
I would suggest you leave in about 5 seconds. Shoot. I'm doing off this, Abby. Yeah, I'm not dealing with that crap. Well, at least we can take a break from the chaos for a few seconds.
Yeah.
Is there a mirror here? There has to be.
I don't know.
It's really dark in here. Smug Raptor, what was he playing? What's Smug Raptor playing?
I'm not sure.
Always, come here. Come sit. You can. I don't know if you can sit down or not.
Okay.
All right. If anyone comes up here to try to break your mask again, yeah, I'll fix it. Or at least try. You. I'm not even kidding this time. Leave. I'm not even kidding this time. Leave.
Okay. Chill, bro. Chill.
Shoot. Go on. Jump off. Go on. Get.
Fuck.
Shoot.
I have to flip you off first. Fuck you.
Is that the one I blocked?
Yes. Oh, yeah, they blocked you. Yeah. Yeah, they came up here.
Oh.
You poor Gangle. Alright. Well, I'm afraid chaos. Chaos is what we want here, so.
There's a PC sound playing. I'm a bit confused.
I can't hear it. But, anyways.
Yeah.
I'm gonna make this more realistic. 1 second. I'm actually gonna jump onto my bed. I'm not even kidding. What? Oh. Alright. Right. Well, time to hold on. Alright. Alright, gotta jump. On 3. 1, 2, and 3.
Are you alright?
Yeah, I'm fine. I just jumped onto my bed and then jumped. Alright, I'm fine.
You have something to
Don't you scare me like that.
Gangle, look at me. Gangle.
Stop annoying Gangle. Stop annoying Gangle.
You're fine,
Fine,
Bobby.
I'm gonna show Ragatha.
Gangle, I want
Gangle, come here. Come here. Come on. Come on, Gangle. Come on.
We're from like the.
I'm gonna.
These box computers from the iMac.
Stop talking about that.
You were. I was.
I couldn't hear
I've paraded you. I've just like. The foot. I will. We're from a company. I'm gonna do the same thing. Do the same thing to you, but don't get no
You need your mask fixed.
Yo, bro. Yo, Brad, come here.
No.
I made you.
Nobody broke my mouse. They're just harassing me over Ragatha. Yeah, she's gonna do it.
Okay, what?
Thank you. I'll eat it.
Dude.
I think you're a bully pin.
No, nah, Jack, no.
No, Cain. I don't care, Cain.
You say that, I take away your room.
I'm gonna tell Ragatha search history.
Stop talking about Ragatha. Can you shut up?
Your mask. Okay, let me fix it.
Talk about, I'll be honest. Hitting Gangle. That's what I talked about. Fine.
There you go.
That's what I thought.
Now put it back on.
Because it's fun.
That's fine.
That one looks more sick.
I'm never fine.
You'll be okay.
No, you're perfectly fine, Crybaby.
You'll be okay. It's okay.
Hey, Gangle.
Stay away from you for now.
You're gonna have to what?
What about me?
You have to stay away from you.
King.
Nah, you're fine.
Smack you in the face.
Don't do that.
King.
What?
Anyways, what the heck is that?
It'll hurt me more than it hurts Jack.
I need to. Why don't we make Gangle happy? Why don't we make Gangle happy?
Yeah, go make them happy while I do something
Why
real
don't we
quick.
make Gangle happy?
Do not break their mask. 1 second. For real, I'm not even kidding. I need to go do. No, I need to go do something real sick.
I have no idea how to make her happy.
Please. I'm not. Dude, I'm doing my YouTube outro. Shoo. I didn't know what I had to tell him. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed today's episode I'm Cain, and what the fuck is that? Alright, please make sure to like, share, and subscribe, and I will see you later. Bye-bye.